What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. It helps me relax and express creativity.
Do you prefer reading or watching movies?
I enjoy both, but reading lets my imagination run wild.
Have you ever tried a new hobby recently?
Yes. I just started learning photography, and it's fascinating.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Definitely mac and cheese, warm, cheesy, and delicious.
If you could instantly master one skill, what would it be?
Playing the piano fluently. Music is so soothing.
Do you prefer cooking or baking?
Baking. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh cookies?
What's one fun fact about you?
I can wiggle my ears without touching them.
Have you ever written a poem or story?
Yes. I love storytelling. It's a great way to explore ideas.
What's a talent you wish you had?
I wish I could do amazing gymnastics flips.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
A good book and a cozy blanket. Nothing beats that.
Do you like traveling?
Absolutely. I love exploring new places.
What's your dream travel destination?
Japan. I'd love to see the cherry blossoms.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes. Road trips are the best way to make memories.
Would you rather visit the mountains or the beach?
The beach. Nothing beats the sound of waves.
What's the most exciting place you've been to?
A rainforest. It felt like stepping into a different world.
Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, especially sitting around the campfire.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Not yet, but I'd love to try one day.
Do you prefer city adventures or quiet countryside trips?
Countryside trips. They're peaceful and refreshing.
What's one country you'd love to explore?
Italy. The food and history are amazing.
Do you like trying new foods when traveling?
Yes. It's the best way to experience a new culture.
What's your favorite TV show?
Friends. It never gets old.
Do you like superhero movies?
Yes. They're exciting and action-packed.
Who's your favorite fictional character?
Harry Potter. He's brave and loyal.
Do you enjoy video games?
Yes. They're a great way to unwind.
What's a movie you could watch over and over?
The Lion King. Such a classic.
Do you prefer comedy or mystery movies?
Mystery. I love trying to figure out the plot.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Not yet, but I'd love to one day.
What's your favorite song right now?
Flowers, by Miley Cyrus. It's so catchy.
Do you like musicals?
Yes. The music and performances are amazing.
What's your favorite book genre?
Fantasy. I love escaping into magical worlds.
Do you like mornings or nights better?
Nights. Everything feels peaceful and calm.
What's your ideal lazy day?
Movies, snacks, and a cozy blanket.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee. It wakes me up in the morning.
Do you have a lucky number?
Yes. It's 7. It always seems to bring me good luck.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Cookies and cream, delicious.
Are you a morning person?
Nope, I love sleeping in.
Do you believe in horoscopes?
They're fun to read, but I don't take them too seriously.
What's your favorite season?
Fall. The weather and colors are perfect.
Have you ever tried meditation?
Yes. It helps clear my mind.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. The lights and festive vibes are the best.
Do you have a pet?
Yes. I have a playful dog named Max.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
Definitely a dog person.
What's the funniest thing your pet has done?
My dog once tried to chase his own tail and fell over.
What's your dream pet?
A pet otter, they're so cute.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes. Seeing animals up close is fascinating.
Would you rather fly or be invisible?
Fly. Imagine the views.
Would you rather time travel to the past or future?
The future. I'd love to see how the world changes.
Would you rather have unlimited money or unlimited time?
Unlimited time, there's so much to do.
Would you rather explore space or the deep ocean?
Space. It's so mysterious.
Would you rather live in a treehouse or a floating house?
A treehouse, it sounds like a fun adventure.